Tire and reducer installation. First, install the steering coupling plate for the tire reducer. Insert the steering pin into the reserve hole of the steering coupling plate. Place the gasket in the designated position as shown in the video. First, insert the lower steering pin into the reserve hole, and then install the upper one. Install the reducer. Align the reducer with the steering joint and install it. Tighten the screws to secure it in place. Install the motor. Align the motor with the designated position on the reducer for installation. The tubing has been connected, and the motor can be secured in place using 2 screws. Lastly, install the tires to complete the assembly.